Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Knowledge 24. In the continuation of Python string, today we will discuss the topic slicing of the string in Python. Basically, slice means a part of a string containing some contiguous characters from a string. For example, name equal to knowledge 24. This is the string. Now, the positive and negative indexing of this string is as follows. Now, to use the slicing, we use the format like this. In this, firstly we use begin index, then column, then the last index. Python provides the facility that we can skip either of the begin index or last index, but not both. If we skip begin index, then Python will consider it to from 0, and if skip last index, then it will consider length of the string, and the length of the string we can find by len function. Now let's see the demonstration of all these slicing in a program. Suppose name equal to knowledge 24. Here the length of the string is 11. Now firstly we use the name 0 to 11. Then it will display the result knowledge 24 means full string. Remember that the character 8 last index is not included in the result. So here the length is 11 and it will display the result 0 to 10. So 11 will not be included. Now the next is name from 0 to 3. So it will display the substring as K and O. Now the next is 2 to 6. Then it will display OWLE. Now the next is, in this we use negative indexing. So we use minus 11 to minus 7. So it will display K and OW. Now the next is, in this we use positive indexing as well as negative indexing. So it will display the result as EDGE2 as a substring. Now then next is, we can skip the begin index and we produce the result as knowledge 24. Now in this next we skip the last index. So it will produce the result WLEDGE 24. Now in the slicing format we can also use third optional index, which says the nth element will be taken as part of slice. For example, name 1 colon 8 colon 2. It produces the result as the first indexing character is n, then it skip the one character and go to the second character which is W, then again skip one and go to the second character as E, and so on till 8th character. Thank you.